Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create the running text effect in CapCut PC. So to make running text effect, you are just going to select your videos or what you like to edit and add text. For example, I'm just going to add the black screen and I'm just going to add text, select default text, and you can adjust for duration and assembling the duration of the text and change for text. Alright, you can make it alright. Yeah, you can change for the size and the position, and at the right bottom corner here, and then make sure on the first frame, make sure on the first frame, in the first part, and select the position and size. Click on the keyframe button and swipe to the right until the end part, and you can change for the position of the text. Just swipe to the left corner. Right, here you go. So you can see this is the final effect you have on your video. Yes, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.